It's a Vincent Black Lightning 1952. And I've seen you at the corners and cafes, it seems. Red hair and black leather, my favorite color scheme. And he pulled around behind and down to Knoxville they did ride. Said, James, Red Molly, here's a ring for your right hand. But I'll tell you in earnest, I'm a dangerous man. I fought with the law since I was 17. I robbed many a man to get my Vincent machine. Now I'm 21 years, I might make 22, and I don't mind dying but for the love of you. And if fate to break my stride, then I'll give you my Vincent to ride. Called Sergeant McCoury, but they'd taken young Dame Beatty for armed robbery. Shot and blast, hit his chest, left nothing inside. Come down, Red Molly, to his dying bedside. When she came to the hospital, there wasn't much left. He's running out of road, he's running out of breath. But he smiled to see her cry. He said, I'll give you my Vincent to ride. They gave me my opinion. There's nothing in this world beats a 52 Vincent and a red-headed girl. Now Northerners and Indians and Greens won't do. Why, they don't have a soul like a Vincent 52. And he reached for her hand and he slipped her the keys. Said, I don't have any further use for these. I see angels on arrows in leather and chrome, swooping down from heaven to carry me home. And he gave me one last kiss and died. And he gave her his Vincent to ride. All right. Hey folks, now wait, you know we got a lot of murder.